taste. Hey guys, it's me, Kuya Milton, and today we are gonna be making one of the most romantic desserts, a chocolate lava cake. If you're looking for a recipe to impress that special someone, this is the recipe you need to make today. So the main ingredient is chocolate, just a regular old chocolate bar. But you can also use white chocolate, dark chocolate, any chocolate you want. You can use your favorite candy bar. This recipe, you can make it however you want it. Let's get started. First step is we are going to be making the lava. Add 3.5 ounces of your favorite chocolate and also a pinch of salt. Boil 1/4 cup of milk. Once it starts to simmer like this, we're gonna add it back to our bowl and cover. Make sure it mixes. We're trying to get that chocolate to melt. After about 3 minutes, we're gonna remove the cover and then add 3 tablespoons of butter. So look at this. It got shiny because of the butter, and this is what you're looking for. Cover your lava again and put it in the fridge 3 hours. Okay guys, after 2 to 3 hours, our lava should look like this. Oh! Just kidding guys, but it should look like that. Look how shiny. And this is how we're gonna put this on the parchment paper to save it for later. You're gonna take 1 scoop of lava and just put it on some non-stick paper. This is parchment paper. Okay, once you got your scoops of lava on the parchment paper, then you gotta shape them. Depending on the size of the mold or whatever you're putting your cakes in will determine the size of your lava. Just gonna flatten them so that they can fit in the mold. Okay, our lava is already set. Put this in the freezer until we're ready to bake. Now it's time to make the batter for our cakes. We got 2 chocolate bars here. That's about 8 ounces of chocolate, pinch of salt, and 6 tablespoons of butter. So we're gonna take this and put it right above a pot of boiling water. Mix. As you can see, it's already melted. Pretty much everything is melted. You can take it off. Now we're gonna add in our cocoa powder, our flour, and finally 3 egg yolks. In a separate bowl, we're gonna add 6 egg whites. Now we will whisk. Okay, so once you get about here, you see how it's has some of those peaks, wet peaks. Slowly add in 1/3 cup of sugar. Okay, when it forms like that, you see how it's not moving? That means it's a stiff peak. So now we are gonna take about 1/4 of our egg whites and put it into our chocolate. We're going to fold, not mix, these together until they become one. All the white has disappeared and it's been incorporated into the chocolate. We're gonna put back our chocolate into our whites. Once it looks like this, now we're gonna put it in our tin. You can use a ramekin or a mold, but I just want to show you that this will work as well. Then add your batter. So you'll notice that I didn't fill it all the way to the top. That's because we got to put our lava in now. Okay, we got our lava in there. Now to fill up the rest with the cake batter. Look at that, I'm so excited to try. Just put this on a baking sheet. Now we're gonna put this in a 400-degree oven. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. Time to take out our lava cake. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's really hot right now. If we took it out, it's gonna spill all over the place. We're gonna let this cool for 5 minutes. Okay, there you have it. We've waited for about 5-10 minutes just so it can get a little cold. The moment of truth. Perfect. Wow. Dun, 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 dun. Got our nice plate right here. Oh, that. That looks pretty cute like it is, but we're gonna dress it up. We got some powdered sugar right here. We got a strainer. Look at this. Boom. Boom. With some chocolate syrup. Just do a little. Oh my gosh. And there you have it, chocolate lava cake. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Now, it doesn't matter how it looks, and it looks pretty good. What matters is, how's the taste? All right, here we go. Let's take a look at this.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Yes.
Wow. Oh my gosh, let's try it. Let's try lemon. Wow, it's soft. It's like a sponge cake. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Gonna get some of that powdered sugar, some of that lava. I feel if you ordered this for your girlfriend, she's gonna break up with you and date the chef. That's how good it is. I feel like I'm eating a cloud. It's really light and fluffy. Super chocolatey, but the cake tastes different than the chocolate. Like this is light and then the lava is really dark and sweet. I really like it. I know what this would be really good with is ice cream. So right here, I got some Yakult ice cream. The recipe will be coming soon, but let's try it. Oh my gosh. So good.
That's it? Usually you have celebrity guests. What happened today?
Yeah, I don't know what happened. Usually people come. Who's that? Oh my god. Kuya Milton, Justin Bieber. It's me, Justin Bieber. I want that lava cake. Lava cake. Can I come in? Yeah, sure, come in. Is it too late now to eat your food? Is it too late now to eat lava cake? I'm ready to eat. All right, here we go. Oh my God. Oh yeah, baby. Kuya Milton, you got that yummy. Man, this is the best cake I ever eaten. Okay guys, that's it for this episode. Special shout out to Justin Bieber. Thank you for coming on the show.
It's great to see you guys. Thank you so much for staying up with us.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below whatever recipes you'd like to see me do next. I really enjoyed this recipe. Super great dessert, especially a romantic dessert to impress your significant other. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next episode. Bye. How's the taste? Is it too late now to eat your food? Cause I already... What time is it? No, wait. Stop.
You're old.
I see this pig just sitting there, and I'm like,
You're
no,
old.
oh no.
Dito sa Pilipinas,
You're old.
kapag
You're
nakita
old.
ng may bisita, hindi nagustuhan
You're
yung
old.
inihanda namin. Iba siguro may
Surprise.
I think I have a good choice.
Bruh.